Tingnan mo siya, guys. Huwag kang bumitiw. Mahulog. Matutumba ka. Parang nakalambitin. Oh, sige. Sige. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Oh, sige. Gusto mo pala. Oh, sige. Huwag kang bumitiw. Pag bumitiw ka, ewan ko sa'yo. Huwag kang bumitiw. Ayun. Sige. Yun ang gusto niya. O ano, kaya? You can do it. It's alright. Oh, hindi na. Well done. Good job. Good job. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I know. It's okay. It's okay. Tingnan mo yung bata. Nakalambitin. Tingnan mo siya. Oy. Ano, Bi? Ay. Ay. Agoy. Masyado excited. Agoy. Ay, Nobi. Don't bite that. No. You okay? Sumisin. Nobi. Nobi. No. Nobi. Happy? Are you happy? Are you happy there? Yes, you are happy. Yes, you are happy. Huh? Huh? Happy? Happy? Happy baby? No, baby. No, baby.
Ang nahanap na butil ng ginto, maingat na iniipon ni Lola Ligaya sa isang maliit na boteng nakakwintas sa kanyang liig.
Tingnan mo siya, guys. Hello? Are you okay? Ha? May ano kasi dito, may ano tawag dyan? Humidifier. Ayan, nandyan. Titingnan niya. Gustong-gusto niya tinitingnan. Oh, kailangan nandito lang ako. Just in case matumba siya. Hold! Nagbibitaw siya ng kamay pag binibitaw. You okay? Oh, wag bababa doon. Wag bababa. Diyan lang. Wag bababa. Up! It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Okay. It's okay. Come on, grab it up. Grab it up. Okay. You going up? No?